E. Please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. E. Difficult. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Wonderful. My mother is a wonderful teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Oh, perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Together, America and Vietnam should all the way work together. America and Vietnam should always work together.